You know, guys, we all depend on someone in our lives, and there's nothing wrong with that, okay? Whether it's your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, friends you have known for many years. These are the people that we all go to and ask for help, that we depend on versus a stranger, right? So it makes perfect sense. So it's nothing wrong asking for help and depending on them. But here's where the problem lies, my friends. When you put 100% reliance on someone, it's not good. It can hinder your emotions, it could hinder your relationship with your family and your friends, and that's not good at all. So let's talk about it in this video. Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is your boy Shane. Welcome to High Top Life, where you can feel inspired, motivated, and self-improve. Okay, before I get into the video, I want to talk about two stories about me not being independent, and it will lead to some embarrassing and angry situations, okay? All right, so the first one, straight out the gate, I want to talk about when I was growing up, okay? I had to go to work. My car broke down, it wasn't working. Some of us been in situations like that, right? So, call one of my family members up, told him like, hey, can I borrow your car? I gotta go to work. So I borrowed it, I put back the gas, I cleaned the car, and one of the wheels was, there was a flat, so I had to replace the whole entire wheel. And it's fine. I didn't tell my family member like, hey, this wheel had to be replaced, so you have to give me that money back or anything. No, it was okay. I did that out of goodness and the generosity for them to help me out. Generosity, sure, whatever. Anyways, you understand why I'm acting like that. So, I borrowed the car for 2 weeks, okay? And I returned the car, clean, and has gas and a new wheel. 2 hours later, they sent me a message telling me like, hey, the car is dirty, how come you didn't put back the right amount of gas, and a whole bunch of stuff. I was so mad. Because I told them like I put back the right amount of gas, I cleaned the car, and also I fixed your wheel. I just changed the whole entire wheel, and you guys don't have to, pay me anything or whatever it is. So I was so mad at them. And you know what? I started thinking, I could have taken the bus and go straight to work and not depend on them for anything. But you know what? Hey man, you live and you learn, okay? You live and you learn. Next story, I came to Taiwan and I was with my wife, who was my girlfriend at that time, okay? So I'm in a country, I don't speak the language, I don't know how to go to this place, I don't know how to order my breakfast, I don't know how to go to work. It was just, a brand new experience for me. And, anyone could understand that. So she helped me out, and, after like a few months or so, she was pretty upset with me because the thing is, I'm not, taking control of my life. You got a laptop, Google Translator, you could use the map, you could ask me for a little help here and there. She said to me, don't rely on me for like 100%, okay? Come on, just do some of the work. So that was embarrassing. So, I learned, I took the initiative to just buckle down. Like, I'm in this country with my girlfriend. Someday she's gonna be my wife, which she's my wife today, thank God. So, that's how it is. And that's what I want to share with you guys, my two stories. I have a bunch of stories I want to share with you, but I think these two is just suffice and it's good enough, okay? So, for those who are watching this video, take your life in control 100%, okay? Just do it, okay? And even if you have a hard time, just ask for help. Ask for help. But don't put 100% reliance on them, okay? That's not good, okay? Just ask for a little help, and even though you ask for help, you are in charge of everything. They're just, guiding you along, but you are in full control, and that's all they should feel. Like, okay, he asked for me for a little help, and he's doing his own thing. He's doing his best, so that's fine. And that's how it's supposed to be, okay? And like I said in the beginning of the video, we all need to depend on someone, but don't put 100% dependence on them. That's not good at all, okay? All right, so there's some people out there that don't have confidence and they know what to do in a situation, but they just don't do it. Maybe they feel lazy, maybe they feel not empowered, maybe they feel discouraged. I don't know. Listen to me, okay? Listen to me very carefully. Get up, go to the bathroom, and look in the mirror. And who do you see in the mirror? Okay? Who do you see? You see yourself. You are the boss of your life. You decide what you want to do. There's nobody holding you back. It's okay for ask for help, and that's fine, okay? But find the courage, find the confidence, be motivated to get up and do the things that you need to do at 100% is the best of your ability. That's just life, guys, okay? Thank you guys so much for looking at this video. Please share with me with your thoughts, what you think about this video. What did you take away from this that you feel inspired, motivated? Let me know. I'd like to read your comments in the comment box section below. And also share this video to 2 people who needs to look at it, because I know somebody out there needs this video, needs to feel inspired and motivated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and check out my other videos. See you guys in the next vid. God bless. And also remember this, you top life. Stay on top of life. Peace.